just learned to hide. It's been years since she walked away, but her laughter still plays every day. I see her face in the evening glow, and that smile still cuts me slow, 'cause her smile still hurts like it used to. Soft and sweet, but it breaks me in two. Every time I think I'm fine, her memory comes back, crossing that line. The radio hums that old refrain, the one we danced to in the rain. I raise a glass, try to drown the sound, but her ghost just keeps hanging around. Yeah, her smile still hurts, still shines too bright. In my dreams, it steals the night. No kiss could ever undo what a smile still puts me through. I've loved again, I've tried to heal, but some scars time just can't conceal. If love's a flame, then I've been burned. Still I'd give it all for her return. Her smile still hurts deep and true, like a song I can't undo. The pains, the proof she was real, and her smile's the wound I still feel. Her smile still hurts. Yeah. The key still shines like her goodbye smile. Room 209, curtains half drawn. Her scent still lingers, though she's long gone. The bed remembers how she sighed. Now the silence hums where love once cried. In room 209, the ghosts still stay. They whisper things we used to say. I check out, but I can't move on. There's part of me still where she's gone. The mirror's cracked but holds her face, a faded lipstick trace out of place. The Coffee's cold, her laugh still warm, love's last storm in human form. Yeah, room on 9, don't forget the lies, the truth, the sweet regret. Every night it plays the tune of her leaving in that pale lit room. I hear her heels on the hallway floor, then the sound fades, she's here no more. But every time I close my eyes, room 209 comes back alive. So if you ever stay in 209, tell her I'm still waiting. Same room, same time. When you're running from the pain, I walk too far down memories road, carrying love like a heavy load. The signs all point to where I've been, but not where I should begin. Keep losing myself in a word I can't say.
One way's forgiveness,
one way's pain, and I keep walking back again. Her voice still echoes in the rain, whispering my name through the window pane. I try to turn, but my feet still stay at the crossroads of yesterday. Yeah, the crossroads of yesterday. Don't let my heart find another way. The past keeps calling, soft but strong, and I keep answering wrong. If I could leave my heart behind, I'd find peace, maybe a sign. But every mile, every tear I pay leads me back to yesterday. crossroads of yesterday,
Oh, yesterday,
I'm still there with a perfume hanging in the air.
one past gone.
The other's gray, but I can't seem to walk away. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Will have lost its way. At the crossroads
Of yesterday,
yeah.
of yesterday,
Yeah. There's still smoke hanging where her lips have been. She lit one up before she said goodbye. The flame still burns in my mind's eye. A shadow danced in the neon hue. Now the smoke's the only thing that's true. There's smoke where her lips have been, a ghost of love that won't give in. The air still tastes like sin and grace, and I see her face. The windows cracked, the night's grown still, but her perfume lingers, it always will. I breathe her name, it fills the room like the scent of love and doom. Yeah, there's smoke where her lips have been, the sweetest pain beneath my skin. She's gone, but her kiss remains, a burn that time can't contain. Some fires fade, some never die. Some leave ashes, some leave the sky. And every puff of memory's wind brings her right back again. There's smoke where her lips have been, a whisper caught in the midnight wind. I close my eyes, breathe her in, 'cause love still smolders within. Yeah. Just smoke now. But it still feels like her skin. Yeah. It's quiet now, and that's the loudest sound of all. No words left hanging in the air, just empty chairs and her perfume there. We said too much, then not enough, and silence called our bluff. If silence could speak, it'd say her name, whisper the truth and call my shame. Every quiet breath between the cries still tells the story of our goodbyes. The clock still ticks, but time stands still in this house that love can't fill. The echoes fade, but not the pain. The walls remember just the same. If silence could speak, it'd break my heart, tear these lonely nights apart. It'd tell me love was never through, it just left without a clue. Maybe peace lives in what's unsaid, but I keep talking to a ghost instead. If only quiet could forgive, then maybe I could live. If silence could speak, it'd sing the blues, soft and low, with nothing to lose. It knows the words I can't define, but she was never really mine. If silence could speak, sound a lot like me tonight. Another glass, another flame. Yeah. Whiskey, it still knows her name. Bartender smiles, says the usual thing. Nod my head, let that amber sing. Every drop burns, but not enough to wash away that kind of love. 'Cause whiskey knows her name. Every pour calls out the same. Her laughter echoes in the glass, a ghost that just won't pass. Jukebox hum a lonely tune, sounds just like that night in June. I see her face in the neon glow, and I still can't let her go. Yeah, whiskey knows her name. Whispers soft and fans the flame. It tells the truth, it tells the pain, that I'll never love the same. Maybe one day I'll quit this bar, stop chasing love through an old guitar. But till the fire dies inside, this drink's my only bride. Whiskey knows her name. It's carved in every drop I drain. She's gone, but I remain, and whiskey still knows her name. Yeah, every night it calls her just the same. Whiskey knows her name. The clock strikes 2, and the night feels empty too. Streetlights hum that lonesome song. Another night that's far too long. I pour my heart into this glass, watch the memories slowly pass. 'Cause midnight owes me nothing. It don't care if I'm alone. It just listens while I whisper to a love that's long gone. The silence hangs where laughter lives, and the air still smells like what she did. Her shadow fades behind the door, but I still see her on this floor. Yeah, midnight owes me nothing. It's just the keeper of my pain. It don't promise me a drink again. Maybe dawn will bring some grace, but she won't be in that place. The night don't lie, it tells it true. I'm still lost without you. And midnight owes me nothing, but I still pay the price for every dream I've broken and every whispered lie. Yeah, the night don't owe me nothing, but I keep coming back every time. Smoke still rising in the pale moonlight. Two cigarettes on the windowsill. One still burns, the other still. She left her cold, but not her heart. These ashes where love used to start. Cigarettes on the windowsill. Her goodbyes hanging in the chill. The smoke still whispers her name, but the flame don't burn the same. I see her breath against the glass. A moment gone, it didn't last. The rain keeps tapping, soft and slow, like it knows what I know. Cigarettes on the windowsill. The ghost of her perfume lingers still. I light one up just to feel something that used to be real, real. Maybe love's just smoking fire. A cruel, sweet kind of liar. You hold it close, then watch it fade. In the ashes, love is made. Cigarettes on the windowsill. I breathe her in against my will. She's gone, but she's still near. In every breath, she's here. Two cigarettes still sitting there, and one still burns like me. night still breathes her name. And down these empty streets, I walk the alley where we used to meet, her laughter dancing at my feet. The rain still sings our favorite song, but the melody don't last that long. Echoes in the alley, that's all that's left of you. Every sound reminds me of what I thought was true. A flicker light from the corner bar looks just like her from afar. Her voice still haunts the evening air, but when I turn, there's no one there. Echoes in the alley, whispering through my pain. They call me like a shadow, but never say her name. Maybe ghosts don't mean to stay, but love don't ever fade away. It hides in corners, soft and low, where only broken hearts still go. Echoes in the alley, singing soft and fade again. The night remembers everything, even what I can't explain. Yeah, I still hear her in the rain. Every night I pour two dreams, but only one gets touched. She used to sit where the neon fades, whisper dreams that love once made. Now it's just me and this empty chair, but somehow I still feel her there. Her shadow drinks beside me in the corner of my mind. I toast to what we used to be and what I'll never find. The jukebox plays that same old tune, the one she'd hum beneath the moon. I swear I saw her in the glass, but it was just the past. Yeah, her shadow drinks beside me, silent, soft and true. The whiskey knows her memory better than I do. They say time heals, but time's a liar. It feeds the flame, it fans the fire, and every drop I swallow down brings her ghost back around. Yeah, her shadow drinks beside me, and I can't make her go. She left her love behind me in the place of lost souls grow. Yeah. So I pour another round for her shadow. The whiskey glows beneath the silver light. I raise my glass to another lonely night. Her name still drips from the edge of my mind, like honey on lips I can't rewind. The bars have emptied, the songs have played, and the moon remembers the love we made. Whiskey moon reflection showing her face in the amber glow. I still see her grace. I drank to the past, but it won't fade away. Whiskey moon reflections make me stay. The jukebox hums that old soft tune about love that left too soon. Every note cuts deep, every sip burns slow, but I keep pouring what I can't let go. Maybe she's out there watching too, under the same cold silver hue. If her heart still aches like mine tonight, then maybe we're both lost in the light. Whiskey moon reflections, soft and cold, playing our story, quiet and old. Her shadow eyes still gleam in whiskey moon reflections and my dreams.